Developing self-awareness and understanding how you behave in certain situations is an important skill for you to develop so that you can be more proactive in both your business and your personal life. Taking time to dig into the stories that you may be telling yourself and what your beliefs are will give you the insight into your future behavior and performance. In today's podcast episode, I'm talking about why developing self-awareness is so important to you personally, as well as how it impacts your business. Whether you're starting a business or side hustle, you're a self-employed individual, a solopreneur, entrepreneur, mompreneur, freelancer, business owner, bookkeeper, or virtual assistant. Taking steps to increase your self-awareness will help you bring clarity to how you see yourself and give you an understanding of how others see you. When you cultivate your self-awareness, you can be proactive on your journey to reach your goals and increase your well-being. If you're a business owner who wants to take your business to the next level, whether you're starting a business, you're building your business, or you're serious about growing your business, I want to invite you to work with me so that you can meet your goals in the most accelerated, streamlined, and efficient way possible that also aligns with your life and the impact that you want to make with your business. As a CPA, business strategist, and coach, I've created 2 options for you to choose from when you work with me. The first is my Mastering Your Small Business Finances Profit Lab. This is a group program where we have live weekly business meetings and coaching sessions to answer your questions so that you can generate revenues and increase the profit in your business. You can learn more about the Profit Lab by going to financialadventure.com/profit. Or, if you like the idea of working with me on a more private, one-on-one basis, you can schedule a free consultation session where we'll go over where you currently are in your business and where you'd like to see yourself and your business in the future. During this session, we'll begin to map out the steps you need to take to achieve your goals. I'm helping my clients start their businesses, become more profitable, set strategies to move their business forward, and take control of their business and their finances while allowing them the balance and ability to enjoy their personal lives by utilizing business strategy, coaching, mentorship, and support. You can schedule your session today by going to financialadventure.com and clicking on the Work With Me button. By taking action in your business, you'll achieve your goals. By keeping everything simple, you'll avoid confusion and overwhelm. You'll understand your business finances, your next steps, and you'll follow through with the vision that you have for your business. My goal is to help you dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do. You're listening to the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, where we get straight to the point on topics that ultimately affect your bottom line. That's right, as an entrepreneur with a small business, money management, growth, marketing, they all affect your bottom line. I'm your host, Chris Ponick. I'm a certified public accountant, and I've been helping small business owners like you navigate and easily understand these complicated topics for over 25 years. I'm a wife, a mom, a grandmother, and a small business owner myself, so I know your time is valuable. In my free time, I make the best sugar cookies and have mastered an amazing chocolate chip cookie recipe. And that's not just my opinion. You're in the right place. I promise your time will be well spent here. Each week, you'll gain confidence and clarity while making a successful impact on your business and grow your bottom line. Get comfy, grab a cookie, and let's get straight to the point with this week's episode. Welcome back. The benefits of increasing your self-awareness are abundant. By increasing your self-awareness, you'll be a better leader, a more successful business owner, have better relationships, and have a more fulfilled life in both your work and your personal life. You'll improve your self-control as well as how you relate to others and your business, and you'll reach your goals faster. Digging deep and paying attention so that you can see how you react or behave in certain situations will give you an insight and additional information about your behavior, performance, and how you make decisions. By doing this, you can become more proactive about how a situation may unfold and how you'd like to handle it. Self-awareness will help you reach your goals not only by making sure that you're going in the right direction, but you'll be able to view situations more objectively and think through how your decisions may impact your business or your personal life. Most people let their past influence their self-awareness. By taking the time to dig into the stories you may be telling yourself, as well as why you're currently believing what you believe about yourself, you can decide how you want your past to influence your future. Did you know that you can simply let your past be in your past? When you make a decision that what you do today is what's going to impact your future, you may start thinking about things a little bit differently. If your life is filled with anger and resentment, or maybe it's fear of the unknown, you have the power of self-awareness to reframe your life to be filled with joy and possibility. Take some time to reflect on how you currently see your business or your personal life. Where do you want to make changes? What are you willing to do differently? You can become more self-aware by increasing your awareness by questioning your current perspective and incorporating new beliefs so that you can reach your goals or achieve more fulfillment in your business or your personal life. By being clear and purposeful about what you truly want in your business or your personal life, you can do so much more for yourself. You can develop new behaviors so that you can reach your goals, and over time, these behaviors will become habits. Recognize any triggers that bring you back to a belief that you've had in the past, but learn to be proactive about how you handle it in the future. You'll be able to grow from these past experiences to where you really want to be in your business and your personal life. Self-awareness will not only help you begin a new journey, but it will also help you build your motivation to continue down your path to success. You need to understand yourself. Self-awareness will help you understand your strengths and your weaknesses by monitoring your thoughts, your feelings, your emotions, and your beliefs. You need to be objective about what you find when you're being self-aware and apply self-control. You need to observe your actions and your inactions. You need to keep an open mind, and rather than judging yourself, you can get so much further by being non-judgmental and accepting who you are. By gaining self-awareness, you'll have the ability to look inward and to relate to everything in your business and your personal life much better. Understanding your limitations and having self-awareness most likely will cause you to take action for improvement, knowing where you currently are and where you may find your weaknesses. Self-awareness increases your overall potential. Being able to manage your thoughts, your feelings, and your behaviors proactively rather than reactively leads to a better overall business and personal life. Think about where you are now and where you want to be. What does your ideal self as a business owner look like? How about your ideal self in your personal life? Where are you currently? And do you know the steps that you need to take to get to your ideal self? Let's take, for example, a business owner who is self-aware that they lack the knowledge of how to do the bookkeeping for their business. Knowing their weakness, they will either get the help that they need to increase their knowledge about how to do their bookkeeping correctly themselves, or they'll hire a bookkeeper to do their bookkeeping for them. A business owner who doesn't take the time to be self-aware and understand their strengths and their weaknesses may continue to do their own bookkeeping without getting any help and may be relying on financial statements that are incorrect. The business owner who receives the help that they need and has accurate financial statements will be able to make much better business decisions. So, how can you become more self-aware on your own? You can be aware of your strengths and your weaknesses, understand your emotions as well as how you react to them. You can monitor how you're thinking, how you feel about it, and the behaviors that you're taking. You can think about how your actions are impacting others. You can try meditation. You can get to know your values. You can practice self-discipline, which I talk about in episode 134 of the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast. And you can get feedback from others. When you understand and you know yourself better, you'll react differently in situations that come up in both your business and your personal life. You'll avoid unnecessary conflict, you'll stay grounded, you'll be more productive, and be more focused on tasks. Self-awareness leads to a greater well-being. You can increase your self-awareness on your own, but when you work with a certified life coach like me, you'll not only become more self-aware, but you'll receive honest feedback and tools to create the future that you want to achieve and deserve. When you work with a certified life coach, you'll be able to recognize and be aware of the blind spots that may be holding you back. You'll see the importance of reaching your greatest potential. When you work with a coach like me, we'll work together to solve the problems and consistently work towards your goals. You'll reach your goals quicker, and your journey to reach your goals will be easier. You'll also benefit from results like avoiding burnout, increasing your overall satisfaction, building better relationships, and leading a more fulfilled life. Self-awareness helps you to bring clarity to how you see yourself and gives you an understanding of how others see you. By cultivating it, you can take action so that you can be proactive on your journey to reach your goals and increase your well-being. I'm excited to announce that I have openings in my new Balanced Life Coaching program. If you're looking for a solution to help you strengthen and maintain your emotional health, increase your well-being, create a more positive, happy, and joyful life, set and achieve your goals, and manage your relationships, I'd love for you to join me in this new coaching program so that you can live a more purposeful life. Each week we meet privately, one-on-one, and you get to bring whatever is on your mind on any given week. It could be your highest priority that you want to work on, whatever you want more of in your life, or if there's something that's weighing on you heavily that you need coaching on, we'll work through it together. Having a coach like me helping you through all of this allows you to feel so seen and cared for, and the results are amazing. Everyone benefits when they work with a certified life coach like me. After every call, you feel energized and you know exactly what to do for the week to come. And you feel relief knowing that we'll meet again next week to go over anything that comes up after the call. You'll gain self-awareness while you take each step towards your goals. I'm opening this program with special pricing for a limited time. The cost is an easy yes for you. I've set this program up in the most supportive way and so that you don't overspend. If you're ready to join the Balanced Life Coaching Program, you can go to financialadventure.com and click on the Work With Me button. You'll see the link to join as well as additional information about the program. Sign up now. There are limited spots available for the program due to the one-on-one aspect, and it will sell out. If the payment link is gone, you can get on my wait list to join the program when additional spots are available. I help people get results and live a more joyful life. I coach everybody on everything. Everyone has something that they want in their lives, and I help them get it. I know there's something that you've been waiting for. I've been asked by many of my listeners to create this exact program. I made the final touches on the program, and now it's available for you. I know how much you wanted it. The faster you get access to the program, the quicker you'll see the possibilities that are available to you. I also have a risk-free guarantee. I believe so strongly that everyone benefits from coaching that when you sign up today, if for any reason you're not satisfied with your first session, you can send us an email and we'll refund you immediately. Are you ready to enjoy your life now, or do you want to wait? Make this investment for yourself today. Take the journey with me. Make it happen for yourself. Ask yourself, why do you need this program in your life right now? Are you ready to make bigger, bolder, stronger life goals? I'm looking forward to meeting with you soon and digging deeper to see where you currently are in your business and start creating actionable steps so that you can reach your vision and your goals for the future. Not only in your business, but also in your personal life. I'm ready to work with you, see all of your successes, and watch you become a thriving business owner while creating your best work-life balance. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners and accountants where you're listening to this podcast. And you know I'm going to ask, what's at least one thing that you'll take away from this episode that will help your business succeed and grow your bottom line? If you need some accountability, join our private Facebook community and post your action item. We'd love to support you. Thanks for taking the time to tune into this episode of Mastering Your Small Business Finances. If you enjoyed this episode as much as I enjoyed creating it for you, I'd love for you to give it a 5-star rating and subscribe to the show so you never miss an episode. Visit financialadventure.com for the show notes, links from this episode, and while you're there, leave a comment if you have a topic you're interested in learning more about that affects your bottom line. If you're looking for a community where you can ask questions and get feedback about your small business, join my private Facebook group. You can find the links to this group and more on financialadventure.com. And remember, any financial information shared on this podcast is not to be considered professional, financial, or tax advice and should not be solely relied upon. Please consult your CPA or tax advisor for an opinion on your specific circumstances. I'm looking forward to having you tune in next time. Until then, dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do.